This is my Rube Goldberg machine that I made for our Year 7 science assignment. We had to build a contraption that uses energy transformations and involve at least 3 different types of energy to transfer a ping pong ball from a table to the ground in a time that is close as possible to 30 seconds. So mine, the ping pong ball is here, and then when I bump it, it'll roll down the funnel, down this ramp, it'll bounce off the cup and onto this ramp. When it gets here, it'll fall through the hole, the hairdryer will be on, creating a vortex in the funnel, and when the ping pong ball falls into there, it'll spin around and round and round and round and round, and when I turn off the power, it will slowly stop spinning, fall down, travel along this ramp, and down this one, and this one, into the tube, resting on the quilt and knocking the other tube, which will knock over all the dominoes, and the spider's just there because. Okay, take one.